There is a saying that love is nature's free gift from the Creator. But the beauty of this love is the time and memories well spent with the loved one. Have you ever imagined waking up to the symphony and rhythm of nature's cool breeze, where deep inspiration for success is being created? The deep breeze of nature's healing therapy blows deep inside of you. Who says that luxury and nature can't be found in our motherland, Nigeria? Life is beautiful in King's Ocean View Estate.
Welcome to King's Ocean View Estate! Ocean View Estate, Monastery Road, Sangotedo, Lagos, Nigeria is where luxury meets nature. Our estate is just 5 minutes drive from the Lekki Expressway with close proximity to the new Coastal Road, Lekki, Sky Mall, and the biggest ShopRite in Lagos, the Monastery Road.
The document for this our estate is government approved decision for phase 1 and C of O for phase 2. You can make your choice.
Our estate promises facilities like perimeter fences, good drainage system, water, 24 hours electricity, security, and so many others.
I know now that the part you've been waiting for is the price.
We have 300 square meter plots and 500 square meter plots. 500 square meter plot is selling for
30 million naira only!
This is the reason why people in Nigeria and diaspora love King's Ocean View Estate, because instant allocation is promised. Don't wait. Secure a plot of land today and start building your dream home. For more information, DM us now.